Our team was commissioned to create a half-size replica of a Japanese maple tree. This tree held special meaning to the founders of a non-profit medical clinic because it was planted 25 years ago at the clinic's opening celebration. We were tasked with capturing the tree's unique characteristics, including twin branches and an unusual intertwining branch. The trunks were created from metal pipe that was slit and tapered, then heated, bent, shaped, and twisted to natural form. We then used metal rods to forge and bend lifelike growth. The leaves were forged with veins on the power hammer to create a lifelike appeal. Each leaf was then hand-hammered for character and personality. The entire unit was hot-dip galvanized for rust prevention, then coated in light black paint. We hand-polished the tree with scotch-brited to reveal silver detail. Each leaf was then gilded by hand for a natural finish. Finally, the tree was lightly blasted to display a natural, dappled look. We coated the tree with a protective clear sealant. The landscape architect who partnered with our team remarked that our iron Japanese maple tree was better than he could have ever envisioned. He didn't think it possible to create such a natural look from metal.